got some size to here, man. Oh, that's a bass. Scott, that's a bass.
You smell that weed. You smell that weed. That's your big one right there.
Oh my God! Oh no! Get out of there! Get out of there! Get out of there!
Hell yeah!
I told you! I told you that was coming! I told you that was coming!
Look at that.
Here we go.
Oh, it's a free swimmer.
You're getting You don't like this game. There we go. You're good. That's a nice fish.
This one we're going to take a picture of.
Exactly, exactly.
You get that sun behind you.
Another good Okeechobee bass, guys.
All right, another good Okeechobee bass. I felt it come out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to let them run with it, guys.
Yeah, yeah, definitely have to let them run.
Another good bass. Early morning, how many we got, guys?
That's four, isn't it?
Four?
That's four. Yeah, that's four.
Get a picture of that. Let's go.
Lake Okeechobee.
All right, another good one, guys. Okay, you can look on the back. Catch some more. Good job. Bring it, Colin. Bring it, Colin.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is a good one. I told you I wasn't going to lose another one.
I hear you. Whoa, another pretty fish. They're just being finicky on us today. Waiting on them is going to be the deal.
Yeah, it is.
Catching them. They pick that line up.
Yep.
Good picture.
There you go, Lake Okeechobee.
Loving it.
Loving it, man. Very nice.
Got it. There you go. Keep ranking. All right, another good bass. Keep coming. Keep coming. There you go. Hold your rod up. Hold your rod up.
Seven.
Number 7, guys. Number 7. Good job. That's number 7, guys.
Scott Patton fishing.
Haha. All right, let's get some more, guys.
Yeah, but still just 2 hours.
Get him, get him, get him.
There you go. Hang on to him. That's a nice one there, buddy. Hang on to him.
Keep pressure on him.
Yep, keep that pressure on him. That's a nice fish.
Oh, that's a nice catfish.
Yep.
Ain't that crazy? Whispers. A little bit smaller fish, but they are all fun to catch. They're all. Fish on, folks. Have a good bath. Have a good bath. We'll pick them off one at a time, won't we?
Yes, we will. There you go, another Lake Okeechobee bass.
There you go. There you go. Here, watch it. Here.
Oh, jeez. There you go. This is gonna do a 250.
That's a catfish.
Oh, dang.
It's okay.
Oh, that's what is that?
Huh?
Is that a cat?
Yeah.
That's good fish.
Pick him up. I don't want that gator see him flopping around.
Yep.
Oh, man, he's hooked good. Got him. All right, look at that.
Little Lake Okeechobee bass.
The only thing is a big ass crappie.
Oh my.
Really?
Real, don't reel that thing in, dude. Holy cow.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my.
Look at that crappie we just
Dude,
caught,
that's
you
what we want
guys.
to go to Grenada for. Holy cow.
That's crazy. That's a big old crappie.
Dude,
That's a
that's like a
monster.
pound and 3/4 fish right
Yeah,
there.
I'm gonna keep him. My wife ate him.
That's awesome. Go for it.
Get a picture with him. That's his big ass crappie. Look at that crappie, you guys.
Got a crappie. Going for bass and got a crappie, dude.
Exactly. I'm gonna measure him. I'm gonna take him home and let my wife eat him. Got him. You got him. You got him. Right, good deal. Bass. Oh, okay.
No.
Oh, the other one's going. Watch him. Here. Buddy, that ain't nothing for you to eat on. Come on. There he goes. I don't want to hook him. I don't want to hurt him.
No, because if there's any doubt about it, we'll be sure to grab somebody by their ankle and make sure you get the hook off.
You're right.
Grab it.
Is that come on? Oh, okay. Pass on.
I think I might need to
There you are, bud. You're gonna mess up our fishing. What you gonna do?
That's a good one there, buddy. There you go. That's what we've been waiting on right there.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, now, buddy, we'll get you. Oh, nice fish. There's way to good too. All right, let's throw him back on the other side over. That's number 10, guys.
Came out of water, but
All right, good deal.
There you go.
Sweet.
What number is that?
13, ain't it?
Nope.
Oh, here's another one. You got him?
Yep.
What's his run? All right, it's a catfish. So cool.
Wearing you out.
Throw him in that box. Yeah. Don't let him get tangled.
Oh.
Okay, you're good. We're about out.
14.
All right.
This is number 14.
Good job, Tom. Another 2.5 or 2 3/4 pounder, sweet fish. All right.
A lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun, ain't it? All right, yeah, you can let her go. All right, cool. All right.
Which one?
Pull that red, get the green one. Go ahead and get the red one, I think. Get the red one out there. You got him on?
Yep.
All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
All right. Crazy, ain't it?
Yep. There you go. Coming your way, buddy.
Might need the red background on that one.
Get 2 bites, it's gone, ain't he? You got him?
Yep.
All right, we got 2 of them on, guys.
All right.
All right, that's the way you do it. This is shiner fishing, guys, here on Okeechobee.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
How sweet is that?
That is awesome.
Nice.
That is
man.
awesome.
Get 2. Get one in each hand.
I guarantee it. Cool. Keep this stuff from getting tangled. You're good as
Here,
good.
you guys want this background?
All right. Towards that camera right there.
Yes, sir.
See him? All right, guys.
There you go, guys. Okeechobee.
Sweet. Nice job. Nice job. That one's full as it can be, too.
Yep.
That's the way to start the morning, huh?
That is what.
Hey, we get a picture.
I know. Did we?
Oh my God! I can't believe we didn't get a picture.
I thought when you were looking at your camera over there, that's it.
Oh well, we got it on film, but we didn't get a damn picture.
I won't let that happen again.
Got him all right. So bad. What is it? Big crappie, huh?
Sweet.
Can you believe that?
That's what, number 5?
Yeah. Crazy.
Oh, this got some size to here, man. Oh, that's a bass. It's got this bass.
Smell that weed. Smell that weed.
Oh, it's got some size to here, man.
Bass.
Oh, that's a bass. Got that bass.
Smell that weed. Smell that weed. That's your big one right there,
Oh my
bud.
God! Oh no! Get out there! Get out there! Get out there!
Keep it out of the park post. That's the one we need right there.
Oh,
Here we
right.
have. Look at that, folks.
I told you that was coming. I told you that was coming.
Look at that, man.
Oh,
Lord.
I told you that was coming.
You did, didn't you? Man,
No, no, no. That's every bit of 7,
Wow.
if not 8. Oh my Lord!
Look
I
at
knew
that big
thing
girl.
was coming.
Awesome.
Knew it was
That's
coming.
too cool.
I knew it was coming.
You said it this
I
morning.
did. I told you. I had that feeling, man.
There you go. Show it to everybody. Let me get the camera.
Yeah. There you go, everybody. Lake Okeechobee largemouth bass. Stop Pat and Guide Service. You can't beat it, man. Absolutely cannot beat it.
Fantastic. Look at that big
There
fish.
you go.
Oh man.
Lake Okeechobee
True
largemouth
giant.
bass. Stop Pat and Guide Service.
True giant.
Got it.
Okay, good deal. All right, Jason. Good job, buddy.
All right,
Good
thanks,
job.
man.
All right, we're gonna let this big girl go. Here she goes.
There she goes.
Cool. All right. So we're gonna head in. You guys make sure you subscribe, follow along, and like this video, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.